Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmargaha classes. Next question from the Enchanted Pool. How did Yudhishthira react when his brothers had not returned? So ಯಾವಾಗ ಆತನ ಬ್ರದರ್ಸ್ ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮಂದಿರು ನೀರು ತರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದವರು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲವೋ ಆಗ ಯುಧಿಷ್ಠಿರ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರತಿಕ್ರಿಯೆ ತೋರಿದನು? ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ಹಿ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? So see here, he saw his brothers lying on the bank of the river. Okay. Yudhishthira was puzzled and worried that his brothers had not returned. So ಅವರು ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಯುಧಿಷ್ಠಿರನಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಒಂದು ಪಜಲ್ ತರ, ಅದು ಒಂಥರ ಪ್ರಶ್ನಾರ್ಥಕವಾಗಿತ್ತು. He himself proceeded in the direction taken. Okay, so his brothers had taken. So ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? Yudhishthira was puzzled and worried that his brothers had not returned. He himself proceeded in the direction. Okay, thank you.